Hi, hello everyone! Today we'll see how to hard reset the rotation of any object in Blender. So for example, you have this cylinder and you move it around. If you hit Alt R, it goes back to its basic rotation. You can see it there. Let me show you once more. Up, you see the angles here, and you hit Alt R and everything is good. But if you are back to this rotation and you apply either rotation or Alt transform with Ctrl A, everything becomes 0 here. All the values become 0. And if I move it around and I'm like, no, I want it to be back to its default rotation, now this will be the default rotation, sorry. So as I applied it to Blender now, this is how the shape should be. Is at 0 degree on every axis. So how to fix that? What you want to do is to apply or bring in a plane axis. You can scale it up to be able to see it. And then you want to enable snap and also set it to face object. You can set it to closest here, and you use align rotation to target. Then what you do, you try to look for a face that was parallel to the floor. So here it will be the bottom face or the top face, it doesn't matter. So I will go with the bottom face, and then you hit G to grab and move it around, and with the snap you will be perfectly on the surface. Now what you want to do is to parent the object to the empty, use Ctrl P, up, and now what you can do is reset the rotation of the empty, like so. Up, you will be able to reset it. You can reset the location too, and you just have to rotate it on the x-axis on 180 degree for this example. It may vary for you, but you get the idea. What you want to do is basically to have an empty that has no rotation applied, so has the default rotation information, and you parent this object to the empty to give it back some sort of original rotation. That's it for today. I hope this helped. Yeah, keep dreaming. Bye guys.